So it's a little cold and dreary and gray outside, and it's going to be that way for quite a while, right? What do you do when all the Christmas decorations come down and all of the things outside are brown, right? And you're like, oh, it's a little depressing. Add a little color and a little warmth and a little garden feel to your home. That makes your home feel warm and welcoming and beautiful and light and airy. Isn't that the nicest feel when it's cold and gray outside? This entire collection is full of pieces that are going to light up your room, soften your room, bring something happy, bring something colorful, bring something soft, bring something springtime garden into the cold, dreary winter days. So starting out with these roses, oh my gosh. So if you're a girl who really, really loves the best of everything, this is your rose. This is a beautiful Real Touch rose. The colors in it are stunning. The way it's made is beautiful. Soft pinks and peaches. They're big and gorgeous and oversized. You're getting 3 of them in a bundle, and you get 2 bundles in an order. These are stunning. If you're a perfectionist, these are your flowers. Now, if you're a girl who loves white, and you're saying, I love white, I love lots of flowers, this is a beautiful rose. It's a little smaller, different construction, but absolutely gorgeous. You're going to get a dozen of these. A dozen in an order, because you get 4 bundles of 3. These are beautiful, all together in a big bouquet, scattered around. You never have to worry about watering them. They're never going to wilt. They're never going to die. They're always going to be this beautiful. How amazing is that? Just take care of them and keep them clean. You're good. 12 roses, a dozen roses that look like the most beautiful roses that just came to your house from the florist. That's what they look like. Not the grocery store roses, as much as I still buy those too. The florist roses. You know what I'm talking about. That's what those look like. Now, along with flowers, because flowers make any space happy. Any space is more beautiful and more welcoming with flowers. But any space also needs some signature pieces, okay? That means pieces that are going to stand out, pieces that are going to be anchor pieces, pieces that are bigger, more significant, wow, sturdy, important, substantial pieces, right? I have 2 amazing options for you in this boutique, and I think you're going to love both of them. Number 1, this set of 2 candle holders. Now, these are substantial. This is not a beginner's game, okay? This is for a woman who knows the good stuff and wants to invest in something wow. That's what these are. They're bigger, they're bolder, they're substantial, they're wow, they're impressive, they're really well made, they're so beautiful, and you're going to get both of these in the set. Now, both of them are a platform that go up into another base for the pillar, and then they have this beautiful hurricane. So you can take the hurricane off and just use the platform with the pillar candles, or put the hurricane on and use it that way, and it's going to be absolutely gorgeous. So I love it both ways. 2 candle holders, 2 pillars with the metal rim around the top, and you can see that here we put flowers around it on its own. Here we put the hurricane on it, and down below we took the hurricane from the second candle holder and used it as a lantern all by itself. Fairy lights and candles, how gorgeous is that? This is beautiful. When you're ready to graduate to the next level of wow, these are your signature pieces. Now, this is also your signature piece. This is a beautiful large square jar in blue and white chinoiserie. The blue and white chinoiserie is something that goes back, literally this kind of blue and white artwork, thousands of years. And chinoiserie refers to a European form and function with the beautiful Asian inspiration in the artwork. This is gorgeous, timeless. It works with everything. It goes with so many different styles of decor. It's a beautiful square jar with the blue and white, gold around the top. You can use this as a vase. Feel free to put flowers or branches or sprays or anything you want in here, or close it up and use it as a jar. Vase, jar, it doesn't matter. It's really beautiful either way. But the artwork is beautiful, the gold is beautiful, the size is important. This is another signature piece. Now, we have flowers, we have signature, we need warm accents, right? Warm, pretty accents that draw you in. I have 2, and you're going to love them. One of them is the set of 3 beautiful glass vases. Now, this can be a vase, or it can be a taper candle holder, whichever you prefer. 3 different sizes. They all come in the set. We put flowers in one. We put candles in the other 2. These are so beautiful. You can put fairy lights in these. I would love to see these on a really feminine dresser in a master bedroom. I would also love to see them on a coffee table in the living room. I just don't think there's anywhere these aren't going to be beautiful and that they're not going to go beautifully. They're etched in the design and then hand painted with the gold, and they're absolutely beautiful. Now, one thing that makes everyone look better and every room look cleaner. What is it? Candlelight. Candlelight makes all of us look better and it makes the room look cleaner. Therefore, I love candles. This is going to be a set of 3 candles. These are flameless candles. You're going to get all 3 of these in a set. And I just love everything about these. They're a little bit smaller in diameter than some of our larger ones, which means they're going to work in different places with different holders. I love that you get 3 different heights. These are real wax. And of course, the batteries just go right in the bottom. These are going to have a timer if you like, and they're going to have a really realistic shape in the flame, the way that the light is different in the flame, a little bit of a flicker in the light, black at the base. All 3 of these are one set, all 3 of these are one order, and all 3 of these are going to help add that beautiful, warm ambiance to a room. So flowers make every room happier. Signature pieces make every room more important. Soft, romantic, warm touches make every room more inviting. If you are looking at your home and saying, the holidays are over and it's really gray and cold outside, and oh, I need something that's going to be warm and beautiful and inviting and pretty, that can be any room in your home with anything from this collection.